Hey guys, this is Ryan here with Ryan Speaks, and today I'm going to be doing a video on how to instantly become more attractive and appealing using the law of attraction, okay? And in case you guys don't know what the law of attraction is, or you're not really aware of it, I just want to let you know that you are using it. You are using it every single day, every single second, every single minute and hour of your existence. And you just because you're not aware of it doesn't mean you're not using it. The law of attraction is a universal law, just like the law of gravity. Okay, if I jump outside of a window, I'm gonna hit the ground. That's the law of gravity. The law of attraction says for every action, there's an equal reaction. Like attracts like. Whatever you give off, whatever you give out, whatever you put out is what you get back. So if you know that and you understand that and you are aware of that, then you can use the law of attraction to literally manifest whatever you want. And that is what I have been doing. I have used the law of attraction. I've manifested my dream relationship and my dream partner. I went from a divorce and an abusive marriage, and within 6 months I manifested my dream partner and my dream relationship, and we've been rocking it for a year. And he's just, he's my dream man. I've manifested my jobs, promotion, in like money, lots of money, winning the lottery. I always win the lottery, like no joke. Every time I play I win. And just everything that I have and that I am is because of the law of attraction. So how can you use this law to become instantly more attractive and appealing? And not just for a relationship or a love interest. It could be even just for appeal, so that you can get jobs or you can get promotions. You can be attractive in the workplace. You can be attractive in your business, with entrepreneurship, whatever it is. This is what you do. Okay, so number one, becoming instantly more attractive using the law of attraction. Number one, you have to understand that attraction is energy. Attraction is energy. Okay, yes, it has a little bit to do with physicalities, like that much, but the majority of it is your energy, is your mind and the energy that you give off. That's why you have some women that are like drop dead gorgeous, they're beautiful, and they're single and struggling to get in relationships, and it's like, what? And then you have women that are like, physically they're just, they're okay, and they have guys drooling all over them. It's because we have understood the secret to attraction. It is all energy. It is all your mind. Okay, so you have to feel attractive. You have to feel it first. You have to feel the feelings of sexiness. Okay, regardless of what is going on physically outside of you, have got to feel the energy and embody the energy of sexiness and being attractive and appealing, and when you feel those feelings and you feel that within yourself, then you end up giving it out. You end up exuding that. Okay, you end up giving off that energy, and then it's like, dang, people see you, be like, dang, I'm telling you, like, I can have a full face of makeup like I do right now, or I can be in my workout clothes and no makeup and just chilling. I always get complimented every single every place I go. And not that it matters, like, it's not like I'm looking for any type of external validation or to be complimented or anything. It's just a testament to the fact of what happens when you begin to feel attractive and you feel sexy and you feel confident. Like, you feel that you are that. You're like, I'm sexy, I'm confident, I'm just, oh yes, I'm fine. And when you feel that for yourself, then others outside of you will feel that. So number one, it starts with the mind. Okay, it's energy. It's the energy that you give off. Sexiness, attraction, appeal is an energy. Confidence is an energy. It's not a physical thing. It's all energy. Okay. And number two, you have to feel the feelings, feel the feelings of appeal, of sexiness, of attractiveness. And then number 3, and this is my last point. This is a quick video. Number 3, you can do things externally to feel better about yourself, like show yourself love, and that may be getting your nails done, getting your feet done. I just got my nails and feet done yesterday, and I'm in a loving relationship. My man loves and adores me. He literally kisses the ground that I walk on, but I still go do those things for myself, because I know that in order to maintain my confidence and my appeal and just my knowing that I'm attractive is by me feeling that for myself, by me knowing that within my mind, and by me doing things, loving on myself and doing things that make me feel good. Sometimes I go to the park by myself and I sit out there and I meditate. That makes me feel good. That puts me in a space of feeling good. And when you feel good about you, others will feel good about you. That's what it is. Okay? Because it's energy. It's all energy. Low self-esteem and being bitter about yourself and feeling all ugly and all that, that's an energy too, and it's very unattractive. It's very, 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 very unattractive. Very unattractive. That's why I'm telling you, there's people that can walk into a room and they command that attention. They command it because of the energy that they give off. The energy. It's all energy, okay? So you have to do things for yourself that makes you feel good, Go to the gym. Go, buy some candles or something, Go get your nails and your feet done. Get a massage. Do things that make you feel. Drink a glass of wine. Whatever it is, do things that make you feel good, because when you feel good about yourself, others will feel good about you too. And when others feel good about you, you end up becoming a magnet. You're a magnet. You're just a magnet. You're a magnet, okay? I am literally a magnet. About 3 months after my divorce, when I really started to understand this, I was literally getting guys from the woodworks. It was dang, I ain't even looking for no relationship. And they just run and just coming, because I understood my energy, and I understood that once I tap into my sexiness internally, and the energy of being sexy and embodying that, and the energy of my femininity and embodying that, then I instantly became more attractive. And it's not even with people, it's even with jobs. I can literally walk into a job and get that job on the spot and not have any clue about it, and get it on the spot. And that's because I've understood, I get the law of attraction, and I understand that when I feel appealing, and when I feel that internally and confident and bold and sexy and attractive, then other people around me, outside of me, will see that and feel that too. Okay? So that's how you become instantly more. Try it, you guys. Try it. I promise you. It is law and it works. Okay? Feel it. Number 1, remember, it's all energy. It all starts in the mind. Number 2, you have to feel the feelings of what it is that you're trying to be. You have to feel it first. Number 3, self-love. Do things for yourself that makes you feel good, because when you feel good about you, others will too. All right, y'all. This is Ryan with Ryan Speaks. Become instantly more attractive, baby. Let me know how it goes. Comment in the comment section below. Bye.